The London City Hall, designed by Foster and Partners, is located in the central London on the south bank of the River Thames.
The spatial model of the London City Hall is developed using computer modeling techniques. Structure-wise, although the geometrically modified sphere largely reduced the surface area, Foster has to create smart structures on other parts of design in order to harmonize the whole building, two of which concerns the lighting and the ramp that connects each floor.
In addition to the geometry, Foster used active as well as passive solar devices to amplify the sustainable cooling system. On the east side, active solar device is the fritted glass that screens sunlight. The material can be 90% solid but still transparent and allow people to see through. On the south side, each floor plate steps out beyond the one below, so that each level of the building is under the shadow of the upper level. This shades the offices on the south side of the building and reduces the cooling requirement for the building. The central spiral ramp has drawn controversies for Foster. Some critique that staff will find the distances excessive, and only tourists will join the ramp as it spirals up past the offices and around the Assembly Hall. But Foster insisted that the structure shows people the spaciousness of the relatively small building and gives the tourists enough time to go around the place.
Apart from the bold structural design that stands out in a city full of traditional buildings, London City Hall also succeeds in being a pioneer in energy-efficient building design. It not only avoids impact by minimizing usage of artificially gathered energy, but also attempts utilizing energy from clean sources.
To minimize energy usage, London City Hall has almost all its windows available for natural ventilation. The fact that each floor is approximately an uninterrupted circular plane with windows on all directions makes natural ventilation significantly easier than in buildings shaped otherwise. For cooling and cleaning, the building brings up borehole water from 125 meters below ground. As for heating, the building has hot water run through its diagram structure that acts as heater pipes without additional pipework.
When power is absolutely needed, photovoltaic solar panels on the roof provides a peak capacity of 67 kilowatts and generates 50,000 kilowatt-hours of green electricity, saving up to 33 tons of carbon dioxide each year. As a result, London City Hall allegedly reduced 75% in its annual energy consumption compared to a high-specification office building.
Designing architecture is a wicked problem. One has to define the question prior to coming up with a solution. Foster and the partners defined their designing objective as one of environmental concerns, and the fruit of that thought turns out to be an icon of sustainable architecture.